It's time to do another unboxing. And yes, I'm wearing sunglasses. Not at night though, because I'm not Corey Hart. But I have an eye infection. And the light's really bright on my eyes right now, so hooray me. And let's find out what I got. So this time it's not actually a mystery because I know what I bought. Anyone recognize the logo? Look upside down, let me help you. That is the one and only, the amazing Jeffree Star. Yes, I splurged and I finally bought myself something. This was the Labor Day sale that was going on, that every item you purchased, you got a select free lipstick color. So I thought, hey, why not? So let us see how amazing. Oh my God, I'm already in love. Because my glasses tell me this is pink, and I think it is. So you get lovely pink, obviously, for Jeffree. Look at this box. Oh my God, I'm dying. I don't even want to open it, but look how amazing that is. I'm just gonna put it aside for a second. Oh, so I got a notification of the amazing, so I'm gonna flip it really quick. Liquid Frost line. Hello, gorge everybody. That's my order. Oh, I just love that everything is literally wrapped in the Jeffree Star logo, the pink. I'm not very girly, but I love the pink. My cat will actually probably love this more. And that is my last thing. All right, I'm gonna move this. So what did I get? I got this brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetic bag, and this is perfect in time for my trip to Massachusetts next week. And it is this lovely shimmering color. I am in love with this chromatic. It's got the Jeffree Star little logo. I love it. It looks like it should be big enough. So sorry for the camera work. I'm not skilled enough. Talking to myself. Yeah, so that is obviously more than enough to hold what little makeup I have. And oh my God, I just noticed it has a little zipper pouch. So that's perfect for anyone who loves to carry makeup brushes. Perfect spot to put them. So obviously I'm in love with that purchase. And this, I'm trying to even think what it is. Oh, now I remember what I bought. Okay, I feel bad because I really don't want to cut this logo. But how else am I going to open it? So, this amazing box should contain my, oh yes. This is that, I think it's Popsicle Bomb. It is a mirror. Now I can be like Jeffree, like, hi, hello, how are you? Hi, everybody. I have always loved, we called these rocket pops growing up as kids. So I love that. Apparently my neighbor's kids are dying outside. I actually just love this whole packaging. It is amazing. It is exactly like getting an ice cream though, like getting one of those popsicles. It is exactly like that. Hello, hi. All right, and last but not least, these should be, oh, again, I hate ripping this lovely packaging. Whoever packaged this, bravo to you. Oh, all right, here we go. Yes, all these black marks on my hand, I was trying with eyeliners while I was waiting at the store. Ooh, these are my 2 liquid lipsticks that I got, and I opted to get, hang on, sorry. So I got the Leo color and the Designer Blood. I have no idea how these will actually look on me, but I wanted Leo because, well, I'm a Leo. And Designer Blood, I think it'd be a perfect Halloween color. If I ever decide to do another fun Halloween. I'm actually going to try and swatch these. So sorry. All right. Okay. Okay. Ooh, they do come in really cute. This is super cute, guys. So it's hard for me to tell the color again because like you saw, I have glasses on. So to me, it's kind of a darker. All right, I'm gonna have to do it this way. I don't know how I'm gonna video and swatch it on myself. Again, because I'm not professional. So I'm gonna just swatch it and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It feels really nice actually going on my arm. So that right there is the Leo color. I'm very pale too, so hard to say how to look on my lips, but I think it should be a fun look. I don't wear lipstick often anyway, so this is the one I'm kind of really looking forward to. This is the Designer Blood. Same thing. Just swatch it really quick. Ooh, feels really nice again. All right. So that's the Designer Blood. So Leo, Designer Blood. I kind of like them. They're both really dark and they seem to have a nice little, according to my glasses, kind of a little shimmer, but nothing like sparkly. So that right there was my Jeffree Star order. I'm very anxious to actually put the lipstick on, try it, see how it looks. And I'm excited to bring my new makeup bag with me down to Massachusetts. I'll probably even just walk around once in the lobby with it just to show people like, yep, look at me. I bought an amazing Jeffree Star Chromatic, the silver. Maybe I'll walk around with my mirror and look at yourselves, people. Probably not though. I'm very insecure. So that was my unboxing. And who knows what else I'll buy to unbox in the future. So, bye.